Our last breathing exercise is called a bird breath. So imagine for this breathing exercise that you are moving your arms up and down just like you might see a bird fly outside. As your arms come up, you'll breathe in, and as they go down, you'll breathe out. You can even imagine that you are a butterfly or a hummingbird or any type of animal that has wings. So let's do the bird breath 3 times together. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. One more time. Deep breath in and out.